Welcome to MSRRC. Today we are ready to do some upgrades on the WPL14 truck I have. Let me get it over here, which is this little sweet little jewel here. It's been upgraded. I got a 3D bed on it. Upgraded the ECM, upgraded the motor, and the servo we have on it. What I got today for upgrades is this right here. It's the metal gear and drive shaft. It actually comes with front metal C-hub, aluminum C-hubs, and the little axle end. And you got metal drive shafts. These are your axles, your drive axles with bearings. Also got these gears here, which is extra gears in case you get the dually, which might be a good idea on that sweet little baby there. And that is the, I believe, the rear. Yeah, this thing here I upgraded it. And motor is pretty fast, and it turns the drive shafts. It spins the shaft on the inside of them. I mean, it does pretty good for the first 2 or 3 minutes. Then I guess it gets a little warm and spin them little things. And I hadn't broke anything other than the pinion on it spun on the shaft, and the drive shaft spin on the shaft. But I figured if I fix them permanently, which I got super glue on them now, it will end up breaking something. So I'm going to upgrade everything to metal, probably eventually put metal links and everything on it, and figured I'll do a upgrade video on it. So let's get a little busy right here. Let's set this camera down. That's gonna be fun. First problem I found, this gear here is splined. It's got splines on it right here. They got to come off, so this can go on. That's as far as it go on. So I got to grind these off and grind a flat spot for the lock screw to lock in. Might as well pull this and do both of them at the same time. First, I'm gonna go ahead and finish building these axles, and this here will go like this. This will go focus camera. Small pin and go through all of them together. Just like that. Little spring deal here. And goes over this. Lock still push. And these will go like so. Like that. Alright, now we got the rear end to do. I'm going to do this off camera. I'll come back and show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to actually leave it on and spin the motor and file these off to the shaft actually fits onto it. I'm going to go ahead and take the rear end off, build it off camera, and we'll come back to this. I'll be right back. Got the rear end built with the metal ends, the brass gears. Got the drive shaft put in. Give you a little closer shot of it. But adding the drive shaft made it a little stiffer. I put it in just a little bind. I actually got them pressed in there, if you can see. But it does work. I'll plug a battery up here. I run this run it on a 7.420C 2-cell, and man, that thing really get up. And it is also 3S compatible. There we go. I ain't got no wheels on it, but it actually works pretty good. Yeah, the next thing I want to do is upgrade my transmission. They make a metal housing transmission, and it's got a 370 motor on it. I'm going to try something. I got just a little bit of surprise that I bought. Another little upgrade I did buy for this truck. I bought a set of 12mm adapter for it. Just seen these and I said you gotta have them. They're pretty dang cool. Screws up. These should fit like this. Alright, here we go. This is well looking. I'll put some of these on there. Just ring on it. Make a little drifter out of it. I bet you some little will get it and drift. Or